Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. It's a LG device. I already have one, but this one has the original box. So I went ahead and picked it up. It was, I think, $13 what I paid for it. I don't remember if it was untested or not. I think it was. Here it is. Looks like just a paper in there. Like this. Alright, here it is. It's the AX300, but the phone that's actually in here is a LG AX275, if I remember right. So I noticed the pictures didn't show the exact phone. Yeah. Whoops. Here it is. AX275. Yeah, I was right. Looks like, oh, okay, so it's charging it. I thought it was going to be dead. So like I said, not the exact model, but like I said, I do have a phone to put in this box. It looks like this was a pink version, which mine isn't pink, but that's fine. LG charger. No startup screen or anything. Fully working though. Speaker sounds blown completely. Yeah, just a quick unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.